Hey real estate relatives, and welcome back to the channel. I'm your homegirl Daphne Brown, your trusted real estate broker and owner of Beyond the Home Realty. Again, if you've been here before, welcome back. If it is your first time here, welcome, 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 like in church. We hope that we earn your subscription, and please feel free to hit that thumbs up or thumbs down and leave a comment so that we know that you like what we're putting out. Now, what are we putting out on this channel? Model home tours. We're going to bring you some behind the scenes. So, everybody thinks that being a real estate agent is so glamorous. And okay, it can be, but there are a lot of moving pieces. So our goal is to bring that to you, as well as buyer and seller tips. We do want to let you know that we specialize in homes at all price points and land sales here in Texas. So today, I'm thrilled to give you an exclusive sneak peek into the grand opening of the newest and final section of the Pomona community located in Manvel, Texas.
Based out of Dallas, but we do have 3 communities here in the Houston market, and we're getting ready to bring on a 4th. But you're in Pomona here. We won back-to-back Master Plan Community of the Year for 22 and 23, and the Developer of the Year for 24. So we're trying to make a name for ourselves.
Okay.
Valencia just opened up 5 minutes
I'm
south
familiar.
from here. Perfect. And then Legacy will open up this fall. You're fine.
Okay.
So just so you have all that information to stay up to date with what we've got going.
Okay. All right. So I got some nice gifts. We're going to stop at this house. It's going to be our first stop. It's so cute. Look at it. Oh my God. It goes with my dress. So this is stop number 1. Check it out. Pomona is a master plan community that perfectly blends small town charm with the conveniences of big city living, baby. It's ideally located near the medical center and downtown Houston, making it a sought-after destination for homeowners. This latest section features model homes from 4 exceptional builders: David Weekley Homes, Highland Homes, Coventry Homes, and Toll Brothers. Each builder brings unique designs and floor plans catering to a variety of tastes and lifestyles. Hi, my name is Daphne and I'm with Beyond the Home Realty. I'm going to date myself. I have been licensed since 1999. Whoo, girl, I know I don't look like what I've been through. But we are here at the Highland Homes model in Pomona in Manvel, Texas. And I can tell you one of the great things that I love about Highland Homes is I love the number of floor plans that they offer you. So a buyer is going to find something that they like. And their sales reps are amazing. Chef's kiss.
I'm LaShawn Fontenot. I'm with RA Brokers. I have been licensed since 2010. And the thing I like about Highland are their floor plans and the nice upgrades that they put in the home that are not upgrades to the buyers.
During the grand opening event, I had the pleasure of touring some stunning model homes and participating in some delightful activities. Here at the Highland Homes model, there was a charming flower bar where I crafted a beautiful bouquet, such a creative touch that truly made this experience memorable. Upstairs, and from here you can peep over to see what's going on both ways. Somebody at the door. Who is it? Who is it? Nice game room. Nice media space. All right, now let's go build a bouquet. Let's build it. Isn't this gorge?
I know. And 2 roses.
I don't know flowers, so
Okay.
so tell me here.
Okay. Either an orange or a pink one.
Okay.
One, and then 2 roses. And
Okay.
then 2
Got you.
tulips.
Okay.
Yellow and pink, or you can do yellow and pink.
Okay. I think I'll do pink. Sorry. Okay, 2 roses. Excuse me.
Any weddings, parties, birthdays, baby showers. We do every day.
Do the bars also for like different events?
And then we also do everyday flowers. If you need like to send yeah, just a sticker.
Yes, how have you been?
Thank you. Thank you so much. So, yes, ring for champagne. Thank you. Bell, ring my bell. Yes. In another model home, professional headshots were being offered, providing a fun and useful takeaway for attendees. So here you will see my homegirl, LaShawn. She's a realtor and a lender, and she is always picture perfect. This video serves as a teaser for what's to come on my channel over the next few weeks. So I will be providing in-depth walkthroughs of each of the model homes. I will be speaking with the salespeople, bringing them in front of the camera so we can have combos about information that will help a buyer. We're going to be exploring various floor plans, discussing buyer incentives, and highlighting the fantastic amenities that truly make Pomona a standout community. So whether you are a first-time home buyer, looking to upgrade, or interested in downsizing, there's going to be something for everyone here on this channel in this series. But to ensure that you don't miss any of these upcoming tours and insights, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss us anytime we drop a new video. Your support helps me bring you the latest and most comprehensive information about the best homes and communities in the area. If you have any questions or specific aspects you'd like me to cover in the upcoming videos, please feel free to leave a comment below because I love hearing from you guys and I'm here to help you navigate your home buying process. Also on this channel, I'm going to be posting some videos that we've done in the past that just may be of interest to you. I thank you so much for watching and I look forward to sharing more about the beautiful homes in Pomona with you soon. If you have any questions regarding real estate or would like to see me spotlight any other communities that I don't spotlight, please drop down in the comment section. But whatever you do, always remember that the homegirl is always ready and willing to enable you to find your way home. Till next time, guys. Bye-bye.